Hey guys, today we're going to be making pancakes. Not the souffle pancakes, but regular pancakes, but softer. You know what I mean? I'm going to put half cup of cake flour. Then I'm going to put another half cup of all-purpose flour. Then half a teaspoon of baking powder. And another half teaspoon of baking soda. And a half teaspoon of salt. And just lightly mix it. Mix the dry ingredients. Yeah. Just like that. I'm gonna use 2 eggs. I'm gonna separate the whites from the yolk. Just use your hands, it's like the easiest. And I don't want to do any dishes, so I'm just gonna put in the dry batter, the dry ingredients. Just like that. I just put it in the dry ingredients. Okay, now I'm gonna put half cup of milk. About that much. And 2 tablespoons of butter. This is unsalted. And we're gonna microwave that for until like everything becomes like warm, not too hot, and the butter is melted. I'm gonna microwave it for about a minute, I guess. Yeah. And pour it in. And don't over mix. Just mix until like everything is like kind of combined. Yeah, like about that much. I'm going to put a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Just mix it just a couple times. Yeah. So when it becomes like kind of like foamy like this, you want to start putting in a tablespoon of sugar. This is 1 tablespoon of sugar. And then whisk again. And this is the 2nd tablespoon of sugar. And then you whisk again. Whisk till stiff peaks. Not yet. Like that. You'll see. Okay, we're gonna put in the egg whites now. Like that. Wait, let me zoom out. Okay. Like that. Just roughly mix it. And then put the rest in. And just fold it in. So I mixed it. It should be like this kind of consistency. Yeah. Now let's cook it. Just gonna put a little bit of butter. Just a little bit, you know? Okay. And put a scoop of the batter. Okay, it's gonna fall. Okay. 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 Yeah. Oh yeah. Maybe a little more. Oh yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna cover it, but you don't have to. And don't put the heat on too high. I put it around like medium low. Okay, it's been like 10 to 20 seconds. I'm gonna flip it. Ready? Ready, ready, ready? Yeah. It's done. Yes. Okay, I'm gonna only use one banana for the next one. And cut the banana. Okay. Okay. Just gonna cut a few slices. I've got this. Ah! Bad idea, bad idea. Okay, just a few slices. I usually just put butter on the first one so it doesn't stick. But you can put butter on every time if you like, but I'm not going to just because, we have to watch our diet, you know? Okay. Ready, ready, ready? Okay, okay, okay. Oh, yeah. Okay, I'm going to put in a little bit more. Okay. And let's put our bananas that we cut up. Banana 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, I'm gonna put one more. Okay, yay! Time to flip. Did you see that? Yes. Okay, wait. Guys, look how delicious that looks. Okay, wait. Look at that. Yes. Okay, let's flip it. Look at that, guys. Yes. Okay, next we're gonna do chocolate chip. Okay. Just put however much you like. Noah! Okay, let's put a little bit more. Yeah. I'm actually making pancakes at night. They're my dinner. Just felt like pancakes for dinner. Okay, I think that's enough, right? That looks amazing. Okay, let's flip it. Yes! Look at that, yeah. I'm so excited, guys. No, my butter, my butter, my butter. Okay, let's pick my butter back up. It's not the prettiest slice of butter, but it's my leftover. I have to deal with it. Maple syrup, yes. And I'm not gonna eat all of this, okay? It's just what I made. Yeah. Zoom. Zoom in. Yes. Yes. And maple syrup action. Yes. Yes. Okay, yes. How beautiful is that? Okay. Okay. See my butter? It's falling. Okay, let's try the regular one first. Or, yeah. Or let me show you the cross section. Okay. Okay. This is the regular one. Original OG. That is so good, guys. It's super soft. Okay. This is the banana. Okay, focus. This is the banana. Banana. Delicious. Okay. We have original again. Little maple syrup. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Super soft and fluffy. Okay, this is chocolate chip. Focus. Focus. Yay, okay. Delicious, but I think banana is my favorite. Guys, this is so good. Ta-da! They're not all the same size, but they're equally delicious, but kind of not because banana is my favorite. Pancake tower! Okay, bye! See you guys next time. This is ceramics class, and it's not that good. See, I messed up on the holes. It was supposed to be like a earring holder, a jewelry holder, but the holes got clogged. Yeah. This was before COVID, by the way, yeah. It's not the best, but this is the only tree I got this year, so I'm happy with it. See? Guys, I'm talking so much. So sorry. Also, this is so good, but it's like such a carb overload, guys. I'm gonna have some more actually. It's really good. Yummy. Banana. Okay, for real this time. Bye. Bye bye. Okay, guys. I have this to do now. The dishes. Wonderful. This is the best part, guys. Okay, bye.